Welcome to the Global Mega Builds. Today, we're bringing you the latest update from the Spotify Camp Nou, where Barcelona's legendary home continues to rise week after week. The transformation is now more visible than ever as new sections take shape and old structures evolve into a modern design. From the fully concreted third cantilever at the north goal to the rapid progress in the diamond and parking zones, every part of the site tells a story of progress. Let's take a closer look at how far the Camp Nou has come this week. At the north goal, workers are busy connecting the second and third cantilever levels with new pillars. Some of these supports are already formworked or concreted, and safety nets are being placed along the third tier. Despite some rain interruptions, progress remains strong. The entire third cantilever is now fully concreted, making this section one of the most advanced parts of the project so far. The diamond and parking zones have quickly become one of the most active areas on site, where visible transformation can be seen almost every day. Fresh concrete slabs now define the space, giving a clearer idea of how the lower levels of the new Camp Nou will connect together. Workers are busy setting up steel reinforcement and floor panels for the next round of concrete pours, while the structure itself starts to reveal its full shape. The parking area is now nearly enclosed, with only a few sections left unfinished, and the overall pace here is remarkably fast. A clear sign that this entire zone will soon be structurally complete. Work on the lateral section includes trimming concrete panels, sealing small gaps, and preparing to install beams and reinforcement bars. Crews are also testing the metal facade slats, which will eventually give the stadium its modern exterior look. Structural beams are being coated with protective or fireproof paint, and the nearby parking section is nearly finished. This area is quickly catching up to the north goal in terms of visible progress. At the south goal, one support bracket has been temporarily removed, possibly for adjustment or repair. Apart from that, all the third-level brackets around the stadium are already installed and connected. This means that structurally, the south goal is almost complete, with only minor finishing touches left to align it with the rest of the stadium's progress. The third tier of the Spotify Camp Nou is rapidly taking shape, with most sections already concreted and connected to the lower levels. Workers have installed safety nets and reinforcements along the edges as they prepare for finishing touches. The third cantilever, one of the stadium's most complex structural elements, is also nearing completion, fully finished at the north goal and progressing quickly in other areas. Its support brackets and beams now define the stadium's new upper profile, giving a clear glimpse of how the final design will look once complete. In the main stand area, the glass frames that were previously installed have been removed, likely due to testing or redesign. From the club store level, the third cantilever and newly added safety nets are clearly visible. A concrete pump has been set up near the tribune to continue structural work. The narrator once again confirms that the entire north goal is now fully concreted, showing how much the stadium has taken shape in recent weeks. Overall, the renovation is in an advanced phase. The third cantilever is almost finished across the stadium, the parking areas are nearing full enclosure, and the north goal stands fully concreted. The lateral side continues with rebar and facade testing, while the south goal is essentially done except for a minor fix. The main stand area is progressing steadily, indicating that the new Camp Nou is moving closer to its next major milestone. That's all for today's update from the Spotify Camp Nou. The transformation is moving fast, and we'll be back soon with more progress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to stay updated with Global Mega Builds.